How to install the SQLite PDO extension on Ubuntu. The default Ubuntu PHP package does not include the PDO SQLite extension. How can I install the SQLite PDO extension? Is there a package that one can easily install via apt-get?
Just do. Next time, you can find it via
Just for clarification, I recently got into this issue. For PHP 7.2, I had to run, which did install SQLite 3. There was no package named PHP SQLite.
In Ubuntu 16.04 there is no PHP 5 SQLite. You need
PHP 5 SQLite, SQLite module for PHP 5 PHP MDB2 driver SQLite, PHP pair module to provide a SQLite driver for MDB2.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.